Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you this Batman Builder Ride from Ridemakerz. Let's open this package and build our car. Here we have the top, the base, side wings, more accessories, the tires, and the rims. These are very nice little rims with the Batman shape in blue and silver on the other side. Don't forget to remove your other accessories from the bottom of the package. Let's see what this is. And the Batman logo. Now that we have all the parts out of the package, it's time to build our ride. Nice little rims. Just remember, with the rims, you can use the blue bat facing you or the silver bat. I'm gonna use the blue bat. You can move the little bat wings up and down. This Batmobile is a cool little push car. It measures 5 inches long and it's all painted. If you buy other cars from this collection, you can mix and match the parts. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more buildable cars right here on Disney Collector.